Today I'm going to show you how to manage TikTok privacy settings. So what we want to do here is go to the bottom of this page. You'll see it says profile. Tap on that, get into your profile. On the top right, you'll see 3 lines. Tap on that, and here you will see settings on the top right. Now, once you've tapped on that, you'll have a bunch of options, but ultimately what we're looking for is privacy. Now, go into privacy, and here you'll be able to choose a bunch of different things. Okay, so I just want to go out of here. And right here now you'll see privacy, and you can make your entire account private if you would like. Then you have suggestions, your account, suggesting your account to others. Here, your contacts or your Facebook friends. Here you can change the syncing of your contacts and your Facebook friends over here. You can change and manage your location services right over here, and then your interactions. So you can do everything from comments, mentions, direct messages, the reuse of your content, and everything else over here. So these are all your privacy settings that you can set up individually.